Welcome to the get up off my try to hold me. Welcome to the get up off my try to hold me.
Hi guys, Ancient Soul back at it again with another video. This video, it's really special because it's my first collaboration on my channel and it's with my good friend Ajani.
What's up?
His channel's name is Nature Adventure Jamaica. I'll have the link in my description so you can check it out. And he makes videos basically visiting a lot of different hidden gems in Jamaica, beautiful rivers. I love his channel. I can't wait until you guys check it out as well. How are you feeling about today's video?
Well, I'm feeling hungry.
We're going to check back in once we get to our destination, which will be, where are we headed?
Braehead Falls.
Braehead Falls. Just a quick stop because we came upon a river. This river, I think it's one of the longest river in the parish of Clarendon. I'll try to get like a picture of how long it is on a map, but I just thought it was cool to check it out. Ajani here is setting up because he has a drone, which I'm really excited to see him work. He's going to be taking aerial shot of this river.
I'm Ajani. Hello. What's funny is that I'm the first feature on your channel, but also I don't have any locks. What if they don't accept me?
So now is the perfect time to admit that
No locks here.
I actually really love nature videos and that's the content that he films. So I'm really grateful that he considered me to do a collaboration with him because he does the type of videos that I actually wish to do. And so I'm taking notes as I observe. Shh.
Home point updated.
In my natural habitat, as I should be.
So far going?
Yes. Finally at our destination, Braehill Falls. Hope I didn't butcher that name. But I'm really excited to take a dip. So we parked there and walking. Thank God for local tour guides. Ooh, it's so tall. Look at that. Ooh.
Yes. But
it look kind of deep, brother. Deep?
it's not deep, just going to well deep, but I will try. But I swim. I don't think I've ever been this close to a waterfall this tall.
As if my phone isn't capturing. I will be testing out the depth of this water.
Stop the cap.
You actually get afraid, miss no fear. Wow. Miss No Fear. How was it, Miss No Fear?
Honestly, I saw the bottom of it and I was like, yeah, no.
You don't want to go right there. What? Right there. So is where I want to go. You know.
Yeah, I attempted to go in the water, but the girl got scared.
If you did more videos like this, you'd be fine. You don't have to worry about money. Tell it.
This is actually my first time visiting a waterfall, so big up to Nature Adventure Jamaica for bringing me along. I'm really grateful and it's been a beautiful day so far.
How was the drive?
The drive was long but very helpful locals, and Nature Adventure is not afraid to ask for directions, which we love because we don't want to get lost. But it was amazing.